Chiegni mago mag tuke bang' bedo gi romo yiedhi dweche ariyo mokalo gikone to riwruok matayo tuke adhula pacho ka FKF ogolo nying jokanyo mag board mabiro chung' ne yiero mag riwruogno. Jokanyo mag board no chao ma okinyi ma kawuono e boma ma Nairobi. Hesbon Awila biro bedo jakom board no e kinde Marcelin Sande wala ka jagoro mare. Dan Mule, James Waindi gi Alfred Nganga bende nogol kaka jo board mabiro chung' ne yiero. Yango lai ma ibiro tiyo gi weche mag yiero ibiro gole kor jumane ka yiero mag riwruok mar FKF ochani ibiro time kodwe mar 12 higani.
Because history has taught me that challenging the electoral code that should guide your the elections will set the foundation for the future of our beloved sports, one that funds, players and stakeholders have entrusted us to safeguard. So to football fans in Kenya, we want them to know, and that is football fans and stakeholders, that we are committed as a team to do our part and deliver what every football stakeholder and fan will be proud of.
The members unanimously adopted to have the 5 individuals before you to lead the FKF elections. And so today we are here. We've had a couple of meetings to formally unveil them and give them the mantle to lead the FKF electioneering process